Welcome back. In this lecture, I will teach you how you are able to print the schedule that you made right now. So before, in order to proceed and print the schedule, you have to make sure that the tables or the columns that you want to show for your activities and for your tasks are kind of set here. So by just dragging this button, you are able to show other columns, or you may not want to show the start date or end date. You can just put the task name. I've just put it until here, until start finish, and I can, for example, remove the duration of the activity. So I right click here, I press hide column, and here I have my Gantt and the activities that I see here. I can do simply something like going to view and change the time scale from quarter to months depending on your need. But I just, for the purpose of this schedule, I put it on the quarter. And after it is on the quarter, simply like other Microsoft products, either you press Ctrl P, or you go to File and then go to Print, and you open the print setting here. So you put the printer either directly to the printer that you want to print it, or you can convert it to a PDF, as you see here. Just one setting that is important for you to note here, the date of the project. So here it says the start date of the date for this Gantt chart that we see to the right is 15th of April, and it's gonna be until end of December. Or you can just click here and define a specific date that you want, and it shows the number of pages that you are able to get after printing. So if I press print, then it converts into a PDF, and there are other page setup that I don't go into details. You can click here and also define the size of the, for example, paper that you want to have it printed. For example, you can have A4, A3 or other, and also you can have it on a landscape orientation or portrait orientation depending on your need. That's easy. It's like other Microsoft project like Word or Excel when you want to, for example, print something. And also you have the legend and the bar setting here that you can manipulate, that I teach in my advanced course, how you can just change these bar setting, and you would be able to do so. That's all for just printing your Gantt chart that you made so far for this one. In the next video, I'll see you there. Thank you.